Welcome to Dheemahi Ayurvedic Center, where ancient healing wisdom meets modern day wellness. In today's video, we are going to talk about rheumatoid arthritis or RA, what it is, its symptoms, what triggers it, and insights into its Ayurvedic management. If you or a loved one is dealing with RA, then understanding the root cause is the first step into finding its relief. Rheumatoid arthritis or RA is an autoimmune condition in which the body's own immune system mistakenly attacks the joints and causes pain, inflammation, and stiffness. Unlike other forms of arthritis, RA affects both sides of the body symmetrically and, if left untreated, can lead to deformity. In Ayurveda, RA is known as Amavata, a condition linked to imbalance in the doshas and buildup of toxins in the body. Let's first explore the common symptoms of RA. RA often starts with symptoms like pain and stiffness in the joints of hands, wrist, or feet. These symptoms are worst in the morning and can last for hours or even the whole day. Other common symptoms include swollen joints. The joints may become visibly swollen and tender to touch, leading to discomfort and limiting the movements. Morning stiffness. Morning stiffness is a hallmark symptom of RA. The joints feel rigid after waking up, making it difficult to move. Fatigue and fever. Chronic inflammation can lead to persistent fatigue and even mild fevers as the body constantly fights the inflammatory process. Joint deformity. If left unchecked, the ongoing inflammation in RA can cause damage to bones and cartilages, leading to joint deformity. So, what triggers rheumatoid arthritis? According to modern science, RA is believed to be caused by a combination of genetic, environmental, and hormonal factors. But Ayurveda takes a deeper look into the root cause and triggers of the condition. According to Ayurveda, the main causes are imbalance in doshas. Ayurveda recognizes three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. RA or Amavata is believed to be caused due to the imbalance in Vata and Kapha doshas, along with the accumulation of toxins called as Ama in the joints. Ayurveda identifies Ama as the undigested food and toxins that build up in the body due to weak digestion. These toxins accumulate in the joints, causing inflammation, pain, and stiffness. These symptoms closely resemble to those of RA. Improper digestion and diet. Poor eating habits such as eating of cold, heavy, and processed foods can lead to weakened digestion and buildup of toxins in the body. This not only disrupts digestion but impacts the joint health over time. Emotional stress. Emotional stress is a known trigger for autoimmune conditions including RA. In Ayurveda, stress is linked to the aggravation of Vata dosha, which can intensify the joint pain and discomfort. Lifestyle factors and seasonal changes. Sedentary lifestyles, lack of movement, or excessive exposure to cold and damp weather can increase Kapha dosha, which can lead to an increase in pain and stiffness. In Ayurveda, the approach to managing rheumatoid arthritis include balancing the doshas, removing the toxins, and restoring the overall well-being. Let's briefly touch upon some of the key Ayurvedic practices and principles that help in managing RA. The first step is to identify and address the dosha imbalance in the body. This is done through customized diets, lifestyle changes, and therapies to pacify Vata and Kapha and calming the inflammation. Detoxification and cleansing. Ayurvedic detoxification therapies focus on eliminating ama or the toxin buildup from the body. This helps to reduce the inflammation and prepare the joints for further rejuvenation. Diet and lifestyle adjustments. Ayurveda emphasizes warm, easy to digest food that helps to improve the digestion and prevent further toxin buildup. Avoiding heavy, cold, and processed foods is very important. Stress management and mind-body practices. Managing stress is crucial for those suffering with RA. Ayurvedic practices like pranayama, meditation, and yoga helps to calm the mind and Vata-related anxiety and restlessness. At Dheemahi Ayurvedic Center, we offer specialized treatments for rheumatoid arthritis designed for easing pain, reducing inflammation, and promoting joint health. These include therapeutic applications, massages, and soothing heat therapies, along with internal medicines that help in reducing rheumatoid arthritis that target pain and promote circulation. Our customized therapies aim to bring long-term relief and restore balance in the body and mind. At Dheemahi Ayurvedic Center, we believe in addressing the root cause through a personalized and holistic approach. By understanding the triggers and adopting Ayurvedic lifestyle, you can find natural relief and overall well-being. If you are looking for a natural, comprehensive management for RA, visit Dheemahi Ayurvedic Center. Let us help you find relief and balance through Ayurveda.